Hello, friends. I'm extremely happy to know that the stories that I am sharing, the videos that I am sharing, are being viewed by children of even lower classes. Uh, for the past 2 days, I interacted with Avani of class 5, and the way she repeated the story and when she answered the questions which I asked her, it was very clear to me that she is able to comprehend what I'm trying to put across. So, other students also, I would motivate that you should listen and try to follow. And in case you are able to understand or you have certain doubts, you can always either question your parents, or I am always there for you to answer your queries. So I would love to uh, get your responses. You can even leave your questions under the comment section of YouTube, and whenever I get time, I assure you of responding to your queries. So today I am going to share with you a story which teaches us that rolling stones gather no moss. Once there was a fight uh, that was between the birds and the creatures. A big fight broke out for some reason. We'll not go into the reason. Now, when the fight broke out between the birds and the creatures, uh, the bats didn't take side with either of them. And after a couple of days, when the bats realized that the creatures were winning, they decided to take the side of the creatures by saying that uh, they were having uh, the snout, the mouth, they were suckling their babies like, and they were mammals, and since they were mammals, they will be taking side of the creatures. Then it so happened that the birds again started winning. When the bats realized this, they decided to take side of the birds. They went to the birds and said, "Look here, we have these beautiful wings and all, and so we have decided to take your to be part of this fight on your side." You know what happened? The birds refused to take help from the bats. As far as the fight was concerned, after a couple of more days of fight, something happened and a compromise took place between the birds and the creatures. So there was a signing of agreement and all that. Everything is fine. A peace agreement was signed, and since then it is said that there has been a very nice, peaceful atmosphere between the birds and the creatures. But you know what? The bats, the story says, the bats have been put to shame because both the creatures and the birds realized that they were fakes. They were taking sides only when it was beneficial to them. And because of that, it is said, the story says, that the bats live in holes and caves and old buildings, and they do not come out during the daytime. So, the ones who run with the hares and also hunt with the hounds find no place for themselves. Thank you.